Hello, I'm Bukola, the physics practical tutor, WAEC, NECO, GC, NATEP physics practical tutor. So today I'm going to be talking about vector addition. We have done a lot on vector addition. I'll just do a little brief on what we have done so far, and then I continue from where we stopped. Okay, now so far so good. Today we are going to be talking about vector addition for more than two forces. We have been talking about vector addition for two forces all this time. Now we're going to be talking about more than two forces. Now, let me quickly do a previous knowledge of what we have done before. Now, before we said if the forces are two forces are acting on a body, they are moving in the same direction. What do? You add. Okay, you add the forces. Then, if they are moving in the opposite direction, the forces are in opposite direction, okay, you subtract. By the end of the day, the body moves in the direction of the greater force. Now, what if the bodies are inclined? If the bodies are inclined at an angle, okay, at an angle perpendicular to each other, that's at 90 degrees to each other, what do you do in this case? It is inclined at 90 degrees. What do? You use Pythagoras theorem to find the resultant. How do you do that? You simply complete this. If you complete this, okay, you know the force here, it is equal to this. All right, this is equal to the resultant becomes the diagonal, okay, drawn from the point of intersection, okay, between the two forces. So this is the resultant. You simply use Pythagoras theorem to find the resultant. How do you find the direction? The direction is this point, okay. Now the direction, you use trigonometric formula to find the direction, which is simply tan theta is equal to F1 all over what? F2. Okay, you know what tan theta is? That's opposite over adjacent. From Sokatua you have Tua, right? That's opposite over what? Adjacent. So it means this is going to be what? The opposite, and this is going to be the what? Adjacent. So whatever you have here all over this, then you find the tan inverse. Now, what if the forces are not inclined at 90 degrees? If it is not inclined at 90 degrees, it means it is either acute or what? Obtuse. If it is acute, it means the angle is between 0 and 90 degrees. Okay? If it is obtuse, it means the angle is going to be between 90 and what? 180 degrees. What does that mean? It means it is, for acute, it is what? Greater than 0 but less than 90 degrees. For obtuse, it is greater than 90 degrees but less than 1.